How to get local channels on Sling TV. Choose either the Sling Blue plan or the Sling Orange plus Blue combo, since these packages offer local channels like NBC, Fox, and ABC in some regions. Visit the Sling TV website and enter your zip code in the channel availability tool to check if local channels are offered in your area. Sign up for the Sling TV package that fits your needs and complete the subscription. For local stations not included in your plan, consider getting an over-the-air OTA digital antenna, which many big retailers sell these. If you have an OTA antenna connected to a compatible device such as an Air TV player or Air TV Mini, which integrates your antenna channels with Sling TV, download and open the Sling TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device, then sign in. Navigate to the local tab where your local channels will be available alongside your Sling TV channels. If you don't see local channels on Sling, try switching your TV input to the antenna source or double check your location settings in the Sling app. Remember, using an OTA antenna allows you to watch many local channels for free, even ones Sling doesn't stream, but those channels are only accessible on the device connected to the antenna. Subscribe.